Have you noticed this? Indonesians often sound flat when speaking English. It's not because of bad English. It's because of English is not spoken flat.
Okay.
English has stress and intonation. Some words are strong, others are weak. Example, flat. I want to go to the store. Natural. I want to go to the store. Flat. I didn't say he stole money. So natural. I didn't say he stole the money. Listen, native speakers don't stress every word. They stress some words that are important and let the rest relax. When everything is stressed, nothing sounds natural. So, add stress and melody. Subscribe for more daily English pronunciation.